Good morning, class. Let us continue the third stanza. The poet says here, when did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine, to use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of other people, but my own and mine alone? Was that the day? So, dear students, in this third stanza, the poet deliberates on the same question about when he lost his childhood. He asked himself about possibilities. He wonders about the day he realized that his mind was his own and could use it the way he wants. When he realized that he could produce his own thoughts, which were not bound by anyone, when he sensed his own individuality and a separate personality, was that the day he lost his childhood. This is the explanation of the above stanza. Dear students, now further stanza. Where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that's hidden in an infant's face. That's all I know. Infant means newborn baby. Explanation of this stanza is, in the last stanza, the poet remorses. Remorses means repentances. About his lost childhood, he concludes that his childhood had gone to some forgotten place which will never come back. He cherished his innocence, which vanished now and could be only seen in baby's face. He only has sweet memories of his childhood, which would soon fade away. He also conveyed a message that the innocence of childhood stays till the time one is an infant, and that is all he knows. Now we will talk about literary devices, it means figures of speech, which have been used by the poet in this poem. First is rationalism. The poet rationalizes the lost childhood when he was 11 and when he found out that hell and heaven don't exist and are not found in the geography. The lines are here. Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography? Rhyme scheme is the rhyme scheme used in the poem childhood is A, B, B, C, C, D. Refrain has been used, a group of phrase which is repeated in the poem. Refrain has been here. When did my childhood go? Was that the day? So these lines have been repeated in this poem. That's why refrain is there. Individuality. In stanza number 3, the poet realized that he can use his own mind and can produce his own thoughts. He discovered a sense of individuality in himself. Next is antithesis, where two opposite words are used together in a sentence in a poem. There is antithesis, it means hell and heaven. Alliteration, the occurrence of the same letter of sound at the beginning of closely connected words. The time, my mind, it means TT and MM has been repeated. Whichever way, W repeated, thoughts that, T repeated. So that's why there is alliteration, because in alliteration, consonant sound repeats so often. Next is inversion. When the subject verb order is reversed to use whichever way I choose, this is the line. So there is an inversion. Now we will discuss question and answer in PDF form. Okay. Thank you, students.